Ever wondered how celebrities with gray hair always look so stunning? Discover the hidden secrets to styling gray hair that celebrities like Jane Fonda and Meryl Streep don't want you to know about. From effortless waves to sophisticated updos, I'm sharing the insider tips that keep their silver locks looking fabulous. Don't miss out on these game-changing tricks. Starting with number 10, embrace your natural texture. Gray hair has its own unique texture, and trying to fight it can be exhausting. Take a cue from the fabulous Helen Mirren, who often lets her natural waves shine. Remember, your gray hair has its own unique texture. Embrace it, work with it, and let it shine. Let me share a little secret. Embracing your natural texture can save you tons of time and effort. It's all about working with what you have naturally. If your hair is curly, let those curls bounce. If it's wavy, flaunt those waves. And if it's straight, keep it sleek and chic. Sometimes we get caught up in trying to change our hair texture to fit a certain style. But the truth is, your hair looks best when you let it do its own thing. Plus, it gives you a unique look that's all your own. So next time you reach for that straightener or curling iron, think twice and consider going all natural. Coming in at number 9, it's all about using the right shampoo. Ever notice that beautiful silver sheen on Meryl Streep's hair?
Groundbreaking.
That's the magic of purple shampoo. It neutralizes yellow tones and enhances the natural silver and white tones in your hair. Use it once or twice a week, but be careful not to overdo it, or you might end up with a lavender tint. Let's talk about why this works. Gray hair can sometimes take on a yellowish hue due to environmental factors like sun exposure, hard water, and even some hair products. Purple shampoo contains violet pigments that counteract these yellow tones, making your gray hair look bright and vibrant. Think of it as a toner for your hair. It's simple, effective, and a total game changer. Just remember, a little goes a long way. Number 8, experiment with accessories. Headbands, scarves, and clips can add a fun twist to your hairstyle. Sarah Jessica Parker loves adding a touch of glam with hairpins and clips. They're not just for kids anymore. A sparkly clip or a classy headband can instantly elevate your look and add a touch of elegance to your gray hair, just like Helen Mirren.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ooh, there we go.
Plus, it's a perfect solution for those bad hair days. Accessories are such a fun way to switch up your look without making any permanent changes. Whether it's a chic barrette, a stylish headband, or a playful scrunchie, there's something for everyone. And the best part? They're so easy to use. Just pop one in and you're ready to go. It's a great way to add some personality to your hairstyle, especially on days when you're in a hurry or just want to add a little extra flair. Moving on to number 7, regular trims are essential. Gray hair can get frizzy and unruly, so keep it in check with regular trims. Helen Mirren always looks put together because she keeps her hair well maintained. Trimming your hair every 6 to 8 weeks keeps it healthy and prevents those pesky split ends. Plus, it helps maintain your style, whether you prefer it short and sassy or long and flowing. Speaking of styles, did you know that regular trims can actually make your hair grow faster? Well, not exactly faster, but healthier. When you trim off the damaged ends, your hair looks thicker and fuller. It also helps with styling because your hair will fall into place more easily without those frizzy, broken ends getting in the way. So, next time you're at the salon, book that trim. Trust me, it's worth it. Tip number 6, don't be afraid to try new hairstyles. Just because you have gray hair doesn't mean you should stick to one look. Gray hair can be incredibly versatile, and experimenting with different styles can keep your look fresh and exciting. Whether it's an elegant updo, a sleek ponytail, or loose waves, Trying something new can make you feel rejuvenated. Look at Jane Fonda. She's never afraid to switch things up and always looks fabulous. Meryl Streep often switches between loose waves and elegant updos. Trying new hairstyles can be a fun way to express yourself and find what works best for you. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and experiment. You might just discover a new favorite look. Plus, changing up your hairstyle can be a great way to refresh your overall appearance and boost your confidence. Experiment with different styles to see what makes you feel fabulous. It's all about having fun with your hair. Halfway there with tip number 5, moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. Gray hair tends to be drier, so moisturizing hair care products are your best friends. Nicole Kidman's glossy locks are a testament to using the right serums and conditioners. Use a deep conditioning treatment once a week to keep your hair soft and manageable. Julianne Moore swears by moisturizing masks to keep her hair looking luscious. Trust me, your hair will thank you. Why is gray hair drier, you ask? It's because as we age, our scalp produces less natural oil. This means our hair doesn't get as much moisture as it used to. That's why it's so important to give it some extra tender, loving care. Look for products with ingredients like argan oil, shea butter, and hyaluronic acid. These are known for their hydrating properties and will leave your hair feeling silky smooth. Number 4, consult with a professional stylist. Sometimes it's best to leave it to the experts. A good stylist can recommend cuts and colors that suit your face shape and lifestyle. Have you noticed how fantastic Glenn Close always looks? That's the magic of a great stylist.
To say the least.
Don't be shy about seeking professional advice. Why is this so important? Well, a professional stylist has the training and experience to know what works best for different hair types and face shapes. They can assess your hair's condition, texture, and growth patterns to recommend a style that not only looks great, but is also easy to maintain. Moreover, a good stylist stays updated on the latest trends and techniques. They can introduce you to new styles and treatments you might not have considered. Tip number 3, embrace color. Highlights aren't just for blondes. Adding subtle highlights or lowlights can add dimension and depth to your gray hair. Look at Sarah Jessica Parker, who often sports soft, blended highlights that make her hair look fuller and more vibrant. Adding highlights or lowlights to your gray hair can create a multidimensional look that adds depth and interest. It's a great way to enhance your natural color and give your hair some extra oomph. If you're not sure where to start, consult with a colorist who has experience with gray hair. They can help you choose the right shades and placement for a natural, flattering look. Now, let's talk about something that affects not just your hair, but your overall health. Tip number 2, stay hydrated and maintain a healthy diet. Your hair reflects your overall health, so drinking plenty of water and eating a balanced diet will keep your hair looking its best. Remember, what you put into your body is just as important as what you put on your hair. Foods like salmon, nuts, seeds, and leafy greens are particularly good for your hair. They provide essential nutrients that promote hair health and growth. Staying hydrated helps keep your scalp healthy and prevents your hair from becoming dry and brittle. So, next time you're planning your meals, remember that a healthy diet is one of the best beauty treatments you can give yourself. The most important tip, be confident and own it. No matter what tips and tricks you use, the best way to look fabulous is to wear your gray hair with confidence. There's nothing more beautiful than a woman who owns her look. Helen Mirren, Jamie Lee Curtis, and all the other amazing women we've mentioned today exude confidence. And that's what truly makes them look stunning. Embrace your age, embrace your gray, and let your inner beauty shine through. What's your favorite way to style your gray hair? Share your tips and tricks in the comments below. And are there any celebrities with gray hair that inspire you? Let me know who and why. And if you try any of these tips, I'd love to hear how they worked for you. If you enjoyed this video, you'll surely love this next one.